Hi, I'm Christina Wall and I'm going to show you how to replace your laces. I'm going to show you how to replace your shoelaces with an underlace. You're going to start with a basic sneaker, take out the existing laces, and then you're going to take any regular lace that you like. This is a 45-inch lace, and you're going to start at the base of the shoe to thread it through. Do the same on both sides. And then you're going to pull them evenly upwards so that the laces are even. And if there's any kinks, you can just straighten them out along the way. And then you're going to take the left side and go under the right. Then you're going to go under with the opposite side and thread it through, pull it all the way up, and do the same on the next side. And repeat. You're going to keep doing that all the way through until you get to the end, and then tie. This has been Christina Wall showing you how to replace your shoelaces.